Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Flipkart app and signing in so the gift card ties to your account. Make sure camera permission is allowed. Without it, you cannot scan. Once the app is open, navigate directly to Wallet, Payments, or the Gift Cards section. This is where the scanner lives. Tap Apply Gift Card or Redeem, and the app will switch to camera mode. You're now ready to position the QR code inside the frame. Keep steady and well-lit for a quick read. You should now position the physical or on-screen QR code straight and flat so the camera sees the whole pattern. Make sure there's good lighting and no strong reflections. Glare prevents decoding. Slowly bring the device closer until the app autofocuses and the scanner marks the code. If it does not auto-scan after 2 seconds, tap the manual capture or retry button. This forces the app to process a still image. Once scanned, the app will read the code and present the gift card details for confirmation. After the scanner reads the QR, review the displayed amount and recipient details, then tap Confirm or Apply to add the value to your Flipkart wallet. If you see an error like invalid code, first ensure the QR image is clear and your internet connection is stable. Outdated app versions can also block redemption. If problems persist, restart the app, clean the camera lens, or switch to manual entry if the card shows a numeric code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.